Okay, here at the field, this is the Grasshopper 300. I left out the bottom plate. I don't use the bottom plate, and I don't use the Mobius plate. So it's the rest of the parts. Huh? I'm gonna do some flying. The props on this are not, they're too flexy. They're not okay. So the power you will see will not be the real power. I think when I have better props, I make another video and you will see that's a lot more to come. Okay, let's fly.
Ja.
Laat je hem ook, hè?
Ja.
Wat zin?
Ja. Of hier?
Zie je hem?
Ja.
Okay, thank you for watching and special thanks to Teun the cameraman. Yay!